What is up, boys and girls? How's it going? How's it going? How's it going? So, we've got some sad news right now. As I'm watching the video of me riding the FZ that you're watching and listening to me talk over, the FZ is down at the moment. She's a little bit in the hurt situation. Not super bad. So, the other day, I was leaving work and, pull clutch in, pull clutch into the lever, go to start the bike, press the button, and every time the starter motor would engage, or motor starter, whatever you want to call it, it wanted to lurch forward. I was like, okay, that's strange, whatever. Got it. It started perfectly fine, ran perfectly fine, downshifted perfectly fine. So, I called a mechanic that I go to for big things, and I was like, hey, do you have any time? Could you look at this? And I'm recording this on a Thursday, so that was Monday night that I dropped it off. Didn't hear anything Tuesday, didn't hear anything Wednesday, and I was like, maybe it's just busy. I was thinking the clutch cable had stretched or something, and it was going to be just easy peasy, whatever. No, sadly not. 24,000 miles in, I have my first problem with the bike. The clutch basket, if you don't know, holds all the clutch plates in and all that kind of stuff. I'll put a picture of it up here. Has how do I want to word this? The clutch plates have worn through the clutch basket. Not worn through, but have worn enough of it away that it's one of those things that's very, I don't want to say finicky or fine. It's, if it's 2 inches, if you added an eighth of an inch into it, that's a lot of play, which is pretty much what has happened over the last, again, 24,000 miles that bike has done. As long as I've owned it, the clutch has never been changed. Clutch plates have never been changed and have never given me a problem. So, kind of really sucks. But, so over that mileage, they have worn through, or worn enough away from the basket that he was like, oh yeah, I put a little, I don't know, he did something to figure out what was wrong with it, and the moment you started up, you could hear the brrr, the shaking of them, because there's too much play in the basket now. So really, monetarily, it sucks. I mean, it's not super expensive. I think he said it was $700, and I mean, the good thing is I'm gonna get some brand new clutch plates out of it, so it's gonna feel mint again, brand new, just like when I got it. But at the moment, we've got no motorcycle, and it's 80 degrees and sunny and beautiful, and it's just a sad day, sad day for me. I don't know. It's really not all that bad. It's just money I didn't really want to spend at the moment, but that's kind of the game you play when you buy motorcycles. It's you start dumping money into them at some point, and I mean, it's better than it could have been. At least I wasn't out somewhere and it didn't completely give out on me, or I couldn't shift or whatever. So this is really the best of the world of options that could have happened. I mean, the best thing that could have happened is just a cable was screwy, but for what it is. So we're out of a motorcycle for, who knows, probably a week or something. And the worst part is Laconia Bike Week, or the toned down version of Laconia Bike Week. If you don't know, in New Hampshire they have Laconia Bike Week. It's kind of the northeast smaller version of Sturgis or Daytona, whatever you want to call it. Probably closer to Daytona, but that's happening, I think, in 8 days, a week or something like that. And I was really hoping on one of my days off to go up and just kind of putter around. So we'll be back. We still have the project bike to work on, and I mean, this won't take long to fix. It's just shipping, order a clutch basket, get it shipped, put it in. It's really nominal amounts of actual work. It's literally just, put all the clutch plates in it, put the pressure plate on, put it back in, and put some, ta-da, it's running again. But it's just a sad day. It's a sad day for the FZ. She's got her first problem. I'm the third owner of this bike, and as far as I know, this is the first problem this bike has ever had, so it's really not all that horrible to think about, but sad for me. pour one out for the FZ at the moment. But yeah, that's the update, and I will see you all later. Have a wonderful, wonderful day, night, morning, whenever you're watching this, and yeah, I will see you all later. Peace. You can't see it, but it is. Have a good day.